in power down era Albert a Dubois. On Kwan and India or year or home or born home, as a matter of fact. Just that buses in the Biada Maka, their cost and core in the Krum Quans, no, to donor any good standing. Inti, while him a year chief executive MD, which Metro Mass, Mr. Yina say on Shana Brunia Bebe. In here, the system, the transportation system is very effective and reliable. I feel buses no maintenance the issue. And I might come as some panso say. Sir, ye be aye about to announce because we are sorry for a program day. Sir, or machines to Jennifer farm or buses in one. We no more wire. Never do no money. I lulu no. We no more wire night time. Omotion was some so the omonka. And then they should take proper care of the almost staff and so. Omon lift game no. Oko mo ya a lot of buses and so. Assess you. We how Embrani city there, but buses need one ma. Mujidi se moon usual, Namabo Modiana, Anka, Modiama, a Yenipeku, which may turn at a reduced cost that it may be effective for all of us. Buses need be a condition your dock on the old one as a film. The Metro Mass, Christmas, money STC, Yeni Damoso, Anna Ayalulu, so Yeni Damoso, more transportation within and without, and yet very effective, very a reliable one and an efficient one, of course. And boy, I mean, Bianco come up. Maminican Cancho say, Member of Parliament for a year. It's not about yet, it is there because you are going. Once you've been elected for the position. No, you are going. It's not yet to be created, it's there. By whatever means, or management critics are constituency and so. So is it doctor or in waiting? Yeah. So in your friend Agbanyo and on Samsung Almighty lead spokesperson for a year, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, Miracles Abuajin so at Nasi.
I'm in your privilege, I'm in honorable issue.
When you're privileged only. But you are speaking for a potential president.
That's why you're critical is in our day. Don't go in the potential. I didn't see. Now you create
I see.
What is it? More from the phone.
Okay, let me like a program as well.
Or maybe more from the phone.
Voice appointment.
Yeah.
I don't want to say I'm privileged visiting, but
yeah.
Okay.
I tell you, I tell you. I got a table stand doing it. I tell you. I tell you, I tell you.
Yeah. But on your very much guarantee.
Yeah, the only way I say the money be come off. You come off
very much guarantees or a member of parliament.
Hey,
John, the order sorry, then I mean order as. So we to share the constituency in Munyam.
So obey.
They say na make us a friend. Say the was ya dog quiet anywhere chrono. So all bit na machine be doing one share am the constituency me and so that St. Andrews for us is also a Piwak Healthcare for na Franco Twin Enterprise. A domo in us of Quansum, because a nano pay and a Kel Chaco toothpaste. Almost a domas, a process from Quaya Cassiania. Or the APP a year or a domas is almost the San Comoe Abre. A young Mpensenpensemu branded non Pepe. Game park for ye pemula ye bekosa break ni asa abani atwa ye nkomo so don kono bope mu a na fe yetime wie ye nkomo no na happy birthday enkoma ye miaminua minim se na ne birthday Abraham Sabin Entry Abraham Sabin Entry girlfriend ye can say Dr. Presi and I say Abraham can no multimedia say no energy ma Abraham happy birthday so enko emfa emma so na payipa bi so Cape Coast ono so ne nana di na woda ne nana no 7 years o hwe me amparicho so afa di ni brem na am say me we fika ka ne nana di na woda 7 years inti happy birthday udi wa woda 7 years school akoyina unana de kan ba e so me re na finti no obetimi sa de brem sa mo ajebre na mo hwa 7 years old na yenda eye mo bet na se hwe a Quas edition Adom Praise and El Perez Dome Adobe Biase Adobe Biase. It was a super program. Said yes, sashay nyame munyam na yeto nyom no so oye awokekam no aseda kese pa de ma twedi aponyankopon. And then a big correlations also to ye nuan mo central adwuma no mu na omunya abasobode the 27th GJ Awards no. Key amongst them Journalist of the Year Erastus Asaridonko, a multimedia brand person or no ana yina mpanyinfo kesi ani ni wi no central folk group kesi ani wi no mse da bi akwapa no kwafo dwumadi a wadi ni so esombuye pa magana multimedia. So very proud of you, Erastus Asaridonko. Congratulations for winning the best journalist award. We are back to the studio. Makacho say era Fred Agbanyo Atenase, and then Dennis Abuaje Miracle also Atenase. I'm interested because of my countdown to Saturday. Onyame Adoma Mobi or flag bearer. We have a dynamo. We have a couture-free doctor. We have Kennedy Akompreko Japan, and then Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. And you are in the camp of Dr. Baumia. So far, we are very okay with election. No, say the SCA could be painful at that ekuna no. Mo so mo gidi say mo message na has gone down well with delegates nankasana.
I think say so far so good. Very few months there. Omampenia be de chase krum say on the party for din komono. It's been going very well, and I know can say why ene obewi northeast na just why 15 regions. Now aka one region. In this case upper east I know nyame adoma china na we ye free ho. It means that vice president has been to all the regions in the country. On the party for Edin Komo, on the Western Konya, on your Matanase, Achromo, the NTO did say, on the best person, obey to me, dear Kunim. Now, Yene, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, Akko 2024 elections. It has been good so far. You know, I can see when Ayana and Yakasa Baby. Until we do anything for, I won't say Dr. Mahmoud Baumia campaign, no. Only sheda ente so kasa on a polling station executives in the Dinkomo. He's gone to all of them in their constituencies. A woman may be able to say Sami, me, Anna, Gideon, and Anna Kumia, Nabe Church in Semukakra, but he has been very focused on Nankasa. He has been very focused in delivering to the delegates conference. And see baby any panel, or my Yenimufie, Yenimomoyenum, Yenimomonkanchema. Any more
targeted exercise.
Any more house numbers, any more phone numbers near the NC. That's what we've been very dedicated to.
But what is it about some more restraining other competitors from getting access to the delegates? What it is uncommon to say, Obakoya said Dr. Baumia team, how my barricade, their chairman for the campus would be Raha. They are accusing you of trying to hijack the system and all that. Once the election about to the Okwa and say we cry a new one amidst. But the BS and you say normally no. I think say every candidate be a person who constituency be a process of so. We call be a constituency chairman, ne constituency secretary or normal convene meeting now. Wait to make share party for no. Yeah, the same process in use. You use any other process. Or my party for in supported Dr. Baumia. And your constituency chairman be a secretary be a supported Dr. Baumia. You see, and you're possible to propose what I say, no. But own to me, say and see a northern region. Originally, like I say, your northern region, and see a Baba say upper west. But that was the time I was looking at Japan, northern region. So time now, until we had to wait for him to finish. We are quiet. Until we had time near one northern part of Ghana. No, no, we Japan. So, if you in common yedi, until we call her, now we so about her. Crisscrosses are. This Saturday, it doesn't. A news file. Lawyers have said, "Lad, no, your opinion about my competition, the countdown. because of the patro. Yeah. So I think the discussions, it's a tough and a keen competition between Kennedy and Japan and then our candidate, the Vice President, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. And we feel the same. Say it's really going to be tough Saturday.
I hear tough. I mean, election day was a one fan for that. But pass here because election year there's going to be any candidate who is going to even come even 30% close to Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Even
70% outright.
Party for now you're wondering that. Once you Obekaya, your call guest when says, "Hey, I'm a catcher." Say we're going to do that 70%, and it came to pass. The fact and they say, I just say be a party for no time or more makam, baby. But you know, Fred Mune call I can see. And see, so only Fred I can see one constituency. On Coco can say maybe to me win election on one intimate call. Ube Bisa say, why in a minute I can see you? John Dramani Mama and a year poor be on any bit to me for elections in 2024. It is said Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and a fair, a year party in home fair. So yet so yet they are not looking at that. In our minds, and now you can see party near Obi to me John Mahama co elections and see you can see and Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. And that's why they are unanimously behind him. Over here, August 26 about 20 years. Okay, is you never been home. And now the end of the senior city, I make a pano. No minute, the election morning. Oh, the way at the end there is going to be a close course. Yes, second, you'll be the second. Then the difference between Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and the second. Oh my, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia got over 600 votes. The second place person now, your friend, the second. We got the barely 100. That's what I say. And so that should tell you, say, second, you will be. And they know that, say, you first, say, you second. But the gap is going to be big. It's going to be big. It's not a complex elections for Dr. Mahmoud.
But what extreme qualities that Dr. Bawumia de Bentia?
Yeah, extreme. A time and moment.
Time
yes.
and moment.
Yes. And yeah, extreme, extraordinary. Be say, obi, see, obi. A time and moment of mine. See, every generation be and baby doer. Kendi no naturally opie. And you be na kofano. And you be na tamno.
Say no doer.
Opie. Opasho political party bia. Na NDC mu. Before you be do 2000 and you be call 2009 or say elections. 2008 elections. Now his John Dramani Mahama ye kase ye pay future we were in this one to let alone have him become the leader of the party and win an election with the party. Only me na bedi dance say no ko in this there are some people who always would have thought say simple obi be pie fimu as a next generation after Rollins name Melsa. It would have been them. There were several names. But it ended up being John Dramani Mahama. There's nothing you can do about it. And then almost come primary see. Still not go for a baby. Do for money a day but it ended up being John Dramani Mahama. When it is your time, oh my, be able to be a quit but home breast one, now brasso. Abrabona ye boni via sene ye woman no. A woman say a boy home or the year family deal. But Yankopon wachichiri bibia dada. And it is Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia's time. In all humility, it is his time. It's his moment. And
would trust him with delegates into that effect.
Yes. I can assure you. Say Ebesia Baha. Say August when he says you men and me sign for phone workers. Ebesia Baha. It won't me on way. Obe pray, obe pem, obe dane da no ho near dear. But you can't do it. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia elections no. And ya ono any the team and a case party for Nangasa. Because political party being what the members person will lose elections. Into the question everybody asks is that DNA bit to me you bit to me winning the next elections. That's the question they ask. Into yes analysis in the area, okay, why in a way a party anymore? You bit to me not cause Antokano. And then it ends on Dr.
So you are looking beyond your party or you are looking just within your party?
Absolutely. It is beyond the primaries. Who is going to win the 2024 elections? That is what is influencing our decision on November 4th. And can you know there? Oh, Nkobia bet me you.
But what some of the commentaries now, NDC4 in particular, they ran about your candidate, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Say, Otaya na why? Bawumia, Akasepi, but at the end of the day, the achievements, nothing to write home about, or a disservice to Ghana for so that's say these are some of the commentaries that are pleasant.
But Umia is not running for vice president though. He's running for president. The away be paying and they say we the vice president la. We to be no. But only president la. Nobody can measure Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia in terms of he has never been president. Until the omkaka ne mugo time no so ye kan wasem. Nipa ono di president da ono di o man we ko no koto dwunim kra so osan aba. Ono kwa de yen say okasa bebre wo. Oye me yehu yeso ntumi nye. Ono kra so osan de no ho aba. Until you see me pese me jump cart no. Me the cart no ahead of me placing ahead of the horse. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia just like every other politician. Ne downsides. So what just here. But we are going to measure. You best to Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia as vice president, and John Dramani Mahama as vice president. You best to John Dramani Mahama as president, but Dr. Mahmoud only president. They are not the same. It is never the same. Being a president and a vice president, and yet there is a big difference between the two. And see, you cannot pretend as if say it is the same.
Okay.
Our opponent has been vice president before. We will measure him as vice president. Then, if we are, I want to be to okay. Someone said, "We are SWOT no." You be a table. John Mahama waha, Bawumia waha. John Mahama as vice president, how did he perform? Bawumia as vice president, how did he perform? They have measure no as vice president on performance.
Asana.
We are ne ba. Okay, munyam so be di o mampeni. John Mahama as president, how did he perform? Dr. Bawumia on bida. He has never been president.
But he has been with an administration.
That's fine. You can.
That's performance. No?
That's no problem. But
a challenge for Ghanaians.
Yes, no problem. But John Mahama has been vice president, part of an administration that their challenge was terrible and worse. And he has been president himself and delivered woefully. But we cannot measure Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia because he has never been president.
Okay.
And only the want to be pretend you. Say what one be Canada or my to be can. Okay, yeah, you be from coach. You never another delegate a friend saying voters say you have access to them. Nobody can pretend in this country. Say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia has never been president before. Being a vice president is not the same as president. Some me come constituency capable not. Maybe beloved constituency. Let me cancel some party in Bombay. Let me party in to be here. Won't be fan cheche. What about cheche me party no? Na me me party na ba be chire mu. Ben ye me na me take decisions no. Okay. Me miracles me presidential staffer. Ben ye me na me chire de obedi media minister ana de obedi KG minister ana de obeye sei me boa me de maho den boa me som me dane no. Me tufo.
Do you want to move away from the reality say or a certain responsibility even as a vice president when the system is breaking down? And I say that is the reality.
I am telling you that the vice president has never run away from the successes and failures of the government. Though. He accepts it too. Because he's part of it. I am responding to a specific falsehood. As for all the MPP issue, the bar, he won't run away from it. He is part of the MPP government. Our successes and failures in Ano, or Jefa, or Jitum. You cannot wear him the gown of a president. He has never been one. I like to contextualize the issue.
That clear line. Over.
Yes, on the Omanpenida. On the Bida. Now, put to me, say, I buy no account. Ebi almost succeeded. I almost succeeded over the year. No, but want to me, say, o crowd to me do Omanpeni because.
Okay, so that's the first about Abdul Ganiu, Assistant Constituency Secretary or Adentan constituency. Good morning. Also, Ajibra also Oshebi, and then Ama Favor from Judith Bentum, also Oshebi. Fred, we are more than an interested stakeholder in the MPP countdown to Omo Flag Barrage contest. But before, insurance count.
Come on, me that's it. Me who watch it.
Papa.
Why you mama?
A crime bishop.
Me like that. You know one me break. But go to see him.
I was just here. Who the year?
So also the tables have changed.
You gotta tell the family. I put me to pictures now. You need me to picture.
When na mentia me constituents. Ewo Central Coffee. Akpafu. Lobini Lekpe. And Rodnata Fresa. Chana na no info. Ya party for you now. Over the weekend for no pay na me doing crying. Me doing crying around 3 a.m. yeah. Na we yekese bi was
3 a.m.
Yes. Na me doing crying no pay. na yenye ye kese bi Sandro Kofi ye ma me bia osumo man no ye dwumaden de bo Sandro Kofi man mu nyina ewu at the age of 94 na obedu konima it was given a befitting burial by the people of Sandro Kofi. So I'm a former coordinator back also Mr. Kaiti ewu akwa fu me pasem and the entire executive now over the weekend I go boy match any go see and the obiase anka MPP asem there anka me kan one asem aye there but now say MPP is a public institution ekoyi wo ha ebo man no ankoyi so a e afete o man no enti man kan bia na kire say me so me ndo man ni the reality is say many miracle ya adwun bebre e wanya bebre waka one and I say we are say away oko the book of Jeremiah chapter 1 verse 2 Bible says whilst you are a clot of blood in your mommy's womb I knew you and I've chosen you. Me, I believe in that.
The way you are toward down, I am no radio anymore.
Absolutely. And only I can for a brabo. I believe in those things. And that's how I live my life. I think I am in pretty good. What is important is just prepare yourself and be ready. People can frustrate you, people can delay you. But it will work for your good. I believe in that. I don't think I'm qualified to advise Dr. Baumia. Ebianka me qualified and opportunity to me advising her. But my view on this contest would have been different. You see, there's something that is going on in MPP, and it's playing out in a very subtle way. There's something that is going on, and I'm going to mean Dr. Baumia one-on-one in a room. My advice to you would have been different. My advice would have been say, Doc, exit government with Nanado. So pekra o desabrich kra compare some election cost bi na ye maybe adwuma bi na koye bibi. Give yourself 8 years and come back. Oba baka be admit say Nanado government now you were part of. Na ekoso no. Yes. Dodo na ankoye. Nsema o kan here before the 2016 elections. Ghana for sure to Abama no. Unfortunately, at that time, if you like, you can blame it on the president. Because after all, by that time now, I know. Now you come as a new person and admit, say, Sebi, but you are brave. On the hand side, I got now a few this year. I've identified a few things are giving the opportunity, I'll approach them differently. And rebrand yourself and present yourself. Now, there's a cabal in MPP who is trying to satisfy a particular agenda. Come out with me.
With you, pa.
I say, you are President Kufobedi Omampeni, or the you are Ali Muhammad Debai, a vice president. And now the expectation is a natural order of things, and President Kufobedi Ali Muhammad should have taken over. But if you come to Congress, no, I think he plays 5 or 6 out of about the 16 people who contested the elections. Want me and him crowd. So there is this, you can call it perception out there. Say people are saying, oh, I've MPP before there, or may you see Cramofor just for their political gain. Yeah, no matter most they are not on change. So there is a group in MPP to do as saying, come what may, MPP lose the 2024 elections. And to move the Monjai, never Alaji Baumia Fambra. Or the banner lose election now. Obi antimi go jina echire nke china say ya makra money the opportunity
and I'm pay for
an opportunity. What you say? Or I can say, we give you the opportunity. All of us rally around you. We did everything possible. Who know when to
an opportunity just to go and lose and push you away.
And I can say, oh, ni say ni na. Now ni sa sona. I was a grown no. And yet, say newspaper said that
no one who's a headline in
there.
But the real headlines are there.
The real headlines are there. And there are people in a room somewhere who are doing the thinking, who are plotting and orchestrating. And see, and yet, appointment the Mawa, ebe buawo. Some appointments, yeah, the mouse said bessel. Because SMB. Na America, I'm not going na yura dambook your boss. And as I don't know what the thing is. No MPP General Secretary before MPP won elections.
My guys are many years fine.
Okay, thank you. Now was the General Secretary of MPP and MPP win election. I'm a boy.
Correct.
Adom Rebino. and our president go for an appointment as a minister of information. Mekai, you are Kwesi Pratt. Even my own general secretary, that time, Honorable I don't get a vacancy. Only president go for Montemo said that, and they you. Appointment Akwakoji as a minister of information, one shot by general so, AUF have grown completely. As though they were prophets. And drew 3 months, and I'm a boy. Energy ministry influence them. Also, our general secretary well losing. Okay. You see, this game, people sit back and they orchestrate a plan. And see, oh, you say, I said, you go to your best my bomb pino. You are not your tray, and you plan on also their far. Your head is not their far. And yes, I come right, over time, maybe more. Wow, and see, I want to me, and so rebuke. As a matter of fact, it will be a miracle. And you wouldn't have me can say about to MPP delegate conference. Say Alhaji Badwam lose it to be a miracle. There's no way he's going to lose the elections.
If you listen to the Ken camp, they've worked though.
You see, Ken has worked so hard. As a matter of fact, OTM campaign messages now. Anybody sitting on the fence watching, Ken is more appealing. If you do the analysis outside of what they have plotted and orchestrated, he comes across.
But that's an unfair comment. At the American, what you say, BBR? Here the blind side.
The politics, orchestration.
I'm trying so hard.
No, I think he has a point.
No, not making.
I think he has so hard not to come. He has a point that politics is orchestration.
No, but you can.
Oh, but you can.
Okay, memoir bem. Don't say they. No,
it's not friend.
Yeah, I believe in that point now.
Politics.
You scheme and you orchestrate.
Orchestration in politics. Who say from Abi Bo? Now you say from Abi the Nama.
You're careful.
You make a mistake. There are always people behind the wind that is blowing. There are no coincidences in politics.
From Mani Mokeke.
From Mani Mokeke. A man for me kechi.
Your ma appointment nekeke.
Your man keke. I'm telling you. See, you can accept it, you can choose not accept it is what it is. It is scheming, it's plotting, it's orchestrating. That's politics. The mechanism may come on EBI. And then become elections are don't I scheme, don't I orchestrate, don't I plan, don't I strategize.
You work out a strategy that will make you win.
Yes. That's the name of the game. And so I assume say a man for Kokekedi, I didn't have it all wrong. I'm saying say Ufa Canada Japan as a personality. Apart from say Biobeka say occasionally, you know, you're very hot-headed, or tattoo jagun, to me managing the temper in a year. What else are you going to talk about the man? The man is saying that, listen, I'm a private person. In the whole of MPP, let one person put his hand up, say, why employ him for me? Let one person put and say, he's been successful at any business than I have been. He said, I'm the most successful business person in your camp. Or see me my employ, I'm for sure, or see my ebida, my opportunity, my abroso. The man has a message. The man said, me take regular appointment that buying me. I'm just a board chairman of Ghana Gas. What you say?
Board chairman is not just.
Maybe. I'm not part of the management team.
Who go for board chairman as a jest?
Come out, them make myself.
I know where you are headed to.
Yeah, on your minister.
Yeah, on your minister.
Ken would have been a minister even right from before Sarameboa. Or per minister, I think minister name. Or per COB, I resign from parliament, COB so. But the point I'm making is say it's a board chairman. And I'm a boy.
Correct.
And on cabinet. What you say? Till the day-to-day running of the government, no. Until that can be brave. Or say, more mobile nano. Some like the Alhaji Baumia. Who now we the chairman of the economic management team. Or say, no maybe na nyama edi organa hano. Finance minister set up another economic team. Chairman of the economic management team crown and count 40 member team you kai. And for instance, frankly, could you mean like when you say the chairman of the committee was not part of that committee? The chairman of the economic committee, Minister of Finance set up committee to look at the issues that are around the economy needs to pass sign. Chairman of Finance can be. Is it to say, even the finance minister didn't believe in the economic prowess of the Alhaji Baumia? It's a question I'm asking, I don't know. But when you sit back and you watch, You can't help but to come to that conclusion, right? Now, can say, prior to 2016 elections, you take out me of Ghana. Lectures are organizing, especially at Central University. In some cases, honestly, at a point, some of us, Charlie, this is the Messiah. This is the guy. The guy can unlock the destiny of this country. The guy seems to know what he's talking about. Because he tells me and I say, listen, I have been a deputy governor of Bank of Ghana before. I know what is in there. There's money there.
But may I could draw your attention.
You don't need to borrow.
A certain fact to say there's a clear distinction between a vice president and a president.
Go and check the constitution of Ghana, what it says about president and vice president.
But is there telling
hold it. At any point in time, our structure, that the president is not in the country. The vice president assumes that position.
By your assumption, does
hold it. At that point,
your assumption does not.
At that point, he's the president of the country.
And what decisions?
Doctor, listen, Nana Adom Akufo-Addo, proud to the 2016 legislature that said, Neotia offer Dr. Bawumia say, ono na ete economy na ase ono na sebi ye kase tutu nyama enye yi a ono know what the pedigree and the track record and nothing no founded by why we all remember before they brought him in 2008 several people in APD didn't want it, they didn't know him and blah 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 was in Bank of Ghana account. So they brought him because of the economy. The man was no longer talking about the economy, and the man became an IT expert now. Now, if you were brought in because of the economy, now economy is 18%. Now, nobody say, well, me, I'm not the president. I am just a vice president. Are you not the chairman of the economic management team? Are you not? I don't know who chairs that committee. Is president who chairs that committee? No. And he said, Koya, why are you running away from responsibility? In a very subtle manner, you want to now treat that as, oh, and me there, may your man be the HO, and my penny and there. Why is everybody running away from President Akufo-Addo and his record? Why is he in a hurry? As Miraka said, we will get there.
Okay.
We in NDC, before God and heaven and man, Yampa Boane said, oh, may your conference near you know, not Alhaji Bawumia I emerge as the MPP flag bearer. That's what we are praying for. And when we get there, the conversation will not be as we're having today.
Okay.
At that time, and I'm happy, he is calling for a comparison. Sure, President Mahama and your saint. I cannot sit on this platform and say, President Mahama be the president, no. Be pepe the way in a no. President Mahama, where he sits today, on what to make sure back, and which says some of the things that happen under his tenure
watching
and can see. The good news is that he's looking for the opportunity to come and right the wrongs. Because now he has the hindsight. Now he has the opportunity to reflect.
Don't laugh to that.
Understand?
No, sorry.
Now, he has the opportunity to say, oh, media, see, camera, on easy lies the head that carries the crown.
Yep.
On easy lies the head that carries the crown. Oti hane, how your program?
The Dominic said you're so touch the channel.
Yeah. If your producer even out there, or your cameraman, anybody even decide to sabotage you, blame.
Yeah.
Oftentimes you will not see it. It will only be after some time.
No, but Kwako said this was it.
President Mahama has gone to the mayor. Okay. He has learned a bitter lesson.
Okay, so
and so when that time comes for that comparison, why? Me and I say, when I hear people talk, I'm saying, I don't know. Say, but we need 2024 election now. It will be the greatest miracle of the millennium.
Okay, so just on this topic, let's wrap up.
Then you see,
game Mula for number.
Uti Fred na uti NDC for the other two and best no was uti. Contradictions not draw so. And some no more the church no draw so. Or more this year, no more we chat. Is it not strange then Fred say ya? No or advocating another or advocating back at for with TV so. Now we are after on one car, 70 years. No one say I can just say Adom Mpensenpensemu would be. Obay, until Adom Mpensenpensemu left MPP. He was the one they were saying all this praise singing about too. Adom Mpensenpensemu almost switch it together. Let me tell you.
You're happy.
Let me tell you.
Ode say you compare nipa tuning na.
Now the Mahama ne Bawumia no, they are not even comparable. Mahama is a failed president, but Umiakan has not been president. Material say I didn't yet take care. And you like we you apple the apple.
Even as vice president, they will compare.
Channel. Na mama vice president now telling ka. And they say Mahama no vice president no complaining say Kukwanyu do call a powerful say no. What is Mahama's legacy as a vice president?
And so Fred say me say what can contradict who say
Mahama no akosua. Ono no kwetera
fi oti akire no
na
lessons learned.
Na ba omi no no nye ndi omampeni no ya omampeni abedechi no say me gitum say de ese nyina na etumi aye. Ba ye dodo na moma me kwana metoa me body aye no ho ban. Na de entumi ye no me wie so ndo otumi ba. De no epia ye kwhye esum ke bibom no de. Also no akwakosi wie.
Head of the economic management team, the challenges
it doesn't matter, he hasn't run away from it. There are challenges. No problem about that. But he's learned from it. He's a vice president. He has a solution to it as president. And these solutions, he has been rolling it out since 2022. If not for anything, we have seen improvement in how bad the economy went in 2022. Who has run away from that? Dollar here, come once a million, and I'm 11.5. And Kwan could do 17. Fuel here, come once a million, you turn 12.30. And Kwan could do 18. From January 2023 to Ene, when we say dollar, according to the net year last year, no, it means that if not for anything, for the first time, yenya banya or hanya mani huni buy no, one kaso we doing frunzi e de epe. Nemu oditum no na ya tenase, no de hyehyɛ ato akwemu be improve ya brabo amaye. Vegetable oil na ye ton no, ekoya akodu be 1,500. Okay, yellow gallon no. And abab from we do 550 Ghana cedis. O man breso, man nembo ade ba kwa ne bo cost re ba fam. There's a big difference between MPP and NDC. Yenye pewu. Yen kaso wa hanya mani hu de mbawo. Ebeba. Nemo eba kwanya kendifo no mo fa so amuso ano no. It makes a lot of difference. That is where ye try NDC. No mapeni jo mama so obo be den. O say dem pa na aka. Oh betumi kra ma betumi dia ma o say.
Ebe komula na ba.
Oh my fa minyama. Si se bibi enu obabeka. O kasa bebre ma kasa make kakakire na o. Minyama wana. Oh betumi dia ma o. Betumi
o de kai.
Na o mighty o. Ne 30 nyina no say Mahama wabon. No doubt about that. The difference between John Dramani Mahama and Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia as a vice president and yes Krampon has been exemplary. Opekoya be di o mampeni. No so de woni mu no ono so de aba o mampeni dada do Mahama de we di o mampeni abe de chire wambo number we di o mampeni yankasa wambo number
anu ye wo susu de a wo susu
ni susu ye enyo mampeni ne ka che se ye hwe na se light na enyi na so no ne buo na won se ma na ye de ye ntumi ya yinja ye phone charge no me na me ka she na no enyo no e na the president ne ministers e kai se emrantie pe adwuma ya omukokotwa grass mfanto kwan ho na no so yedwuma no me na ka
Fred Agbanyo ka kire wo say Debbie o se watena kire no ma ni bi wo enkoso kra no wa you are not aware edi be bia wakotena no wo hu ni o ma bebre
enti nipa no ba be ye ya no ntumi ya no ye ngini ndi se wakokosi oba be ye ne ye nja de ono nyan ye bi da no mu nto nchen ai no mo kasa si wa che Ghana for hi and to abeg your man sermon tin na de ko fa na fe de wo ene wo idolize your party for wo da wo idolize your party for eche ni nyina enkosi hwe
but he has advised your candidate.
I can tell you say o say miracle I can tell you say o advice bia on pencil ni bin fancy ne ho na o man 9th December 2024 no pa si akenka ya ba ni na ewi organ ha na ebubo a we nya hatataka 100 be ya but ye hia no because or be DMP I want a constituency ho no enti we be hia no parliament no bo na manfo
I see
but so what to be man ho on for say photo here the man o man say we are going to beat the NDC with a superior strategy one that they will never understand.
MPP beating NDC.
I'm telling you there's nobody in this country that believes and trusts the NDC. They are confident tricksters. Omo ya confident tricksters say ye no boko ni nada ni kasade no. We have seen them before.
Okay, Fred.
Ghana Fonka I say MP before the heaven about Ghana. Almost say between MPP
oh don't worry. Yan cross over. Oh, Techiman, also Wajibra also Hebi. Thank you so much, Wajibra also Hebi. Sasna, rap tea also Wajibra also Hebi. I don't know, but my former boss, when ne kra nsie yi kwasi senti bafo boni erade enkraw na omo ho ban wakwanso nkoso kra Kel Chaco toothpaste eguso Kyle say omo the body training eye jabidia kesi ni ana ne de man na be for kwanso say de be ya betimi dia pause ye kwada abrem ne ye de boboso sa ofa ebo de pim so sa na de bidie na fra and e odi twi adane a pause very effective and e de abe for kwanso ntino abe paste a o mia na fe na fe odi pore wo se yada eye Samara Company Limited ase one of this Kel Chaco toothpaste ya bedwa so St Andrews koso Kyle say open admission into SHS but more than now winning kita ho ono akwanya e wo SHS 1 titru BEC nkwada na motwe mu sohwe no still insi ukwan obetimi aba nkrabata na bi meche one campuses na bi wo asinfosu nkra ebi wo ha ni wadubi ase dunkwa onofin mankasim shama anafi sefi asanwe so obehu won e wo Franco koso Kyle say Nokia Samsung and that's an iPhone, Smart TV, a free 32 copy 55 inches, tabletop fridges, and Franco air conditions, a free 1.5, because 2.5 horsepower, no, Ubinya be at all. A free camera, a day, as you say, you may a free and sorry, beer, in here camera, be the Jumano, Franco say 1 LB. Franco was 0246 422 338 and 0555939 no team one ending kita. Fred, wrap up on that one and now can I feel and try and come on this one.
You see, maybe I had the agronda call is on camera. Me, as much as possible, I want to stay away from this name calling. I bet now use the adjectives to describe the mama say, wabon, and on born number. You know, that type of language is not healthy because Okano, maybe I met me a can essence. Therefore, president and our vice president.
That's okay. What kind of that?
But your Okasa me idea.
Oh, but I'm correct.
Please, make a day.
Oh, Okasa about vice president.
What did I say? What did I say about him?
Oh, my, what they say?
What did I say about him?
Nakasa will be one of my minds.
Wadarma.
Oh, they say Okama.
You the man.
Nakasa will be one of my.
Come on, it's distracting me for nothing.
Wadarma time into.
To be Yamano.
What I say? I bet now miracle. Okasa dreadous Okasa too much. Arrogance of power. And do the kind can help be right? Me yatina abemuda yatina opposition down party ube lose abanya see as aboa nso fa no kwa na nipa nso fa ne ko. You can sit here and think that Ghanaians are some zombies. Ghana for nekos or meimumu ni Mrs. Samre no ebeba emene beba you put the personalities down for Ghana to assess them. President Mahama's track record is there for all to see. President Mahama bedi o mampeni o Ghana ha. Sebi sika ebedi ni nsem. Ni odi sika ndi ye in the health sector, in the educational sector, any road infrastructure ne ka nyina it's available for all Ghanaians to see. Na say ya Greek for the better but say omunya gas supply come out here. Until now some of the thermal plants na where you want to power mo. I said yesterday don't issue under statement say there. They were talking about barely 500 megawatts of electricity. Omunya gas no. At the doom so ba amayimo. Meanwhile, this at the airport a few years ago, a few months ago, telling say, Mama invested so much in the energy sector. They produce power They took out just 500 megawatts. Look at the number of communities that are experiencing the light of Ghana. And if you like, one of the thermal plants that Mama they buy, just go and close it down. Let's what will happen in this country. That's a visionary leader. Look at the airports. Go to our ports. And now I mean, look at say, Ubisa said another bet now, Maimu. I take here debt from 120 billion. And that cost almost 700, 800. It'll be a number nempono. And then party panel make me a 22. Say no more there. They will tell you free SHS. Come now, how many OT? The Papa Maudo because SSW. Who say majority of Ghanaians who are well to do a bit, they are taking that to private secondary schools. Near cost or secondary schools ne. Maybe can say education because of a constitution, it is clear in there. Say Ghana we should endeavor to do education progressively free all the way to the university level. Me, I come from a rural community. I know how difficult it can be sometimes for people to even get 2 cedis to buy something. Say I college school, say be what pass here, say be our first can you oti if you want me and Kobe. And any attempt by government to facilitate a process for children to go to school, I applaud it. But I make an say, it is not enough to just say I'm going to school. Our mind will be a said we must benefit from school and our what I say, just Marco from can make pyramid next year, make me find that. But that's the subject that we'll discuss some other day. Me say, Alaji Baumia. Me better na Canada, Japan, Abaso, me Bonabaso. All I say is you sit from a distance. Now, the conclusion you can draw and say, he's the best candidate. One, because on serving in government directly, it's not involved in the day-to-day governance of the nation. The running mates are no Alaji Baumia. Nienti omodine ba yomo chireye. In some on wakaye no omo chireye. There's something you call characterization. How to study a person. 3 things you are looking for. What the person says about himself, what he says about others, and what others says about him. These are the 3 parameters we measure on the paper. We know what Baumia has said about himself. We know what he has said about others. And we know what others are saying about him. And when that day comes, Ghanaians will call his name that he truly deserves to be called. He do what me Pie Boy say he should go through the process. He should win the elections. Miracle 70%. I think even that one is too low. Only 85% could bad. Because the entire system, you see, Obi natural me say other candidates in terms of a coalition. Much the same with Alan Cash. Term no more police station elections no. So as though they were sleeping in courts. A honor ya share nyamani na bedu stamping. So I tell the politics is about castration. It's about planning. Yes, the final event and the event no.
A lot of things goes into it.
A lot of things goes into it. A lot of things. We know the amount of money that they are training about. This government, me like bet me now naturally me say, yeah, what about 2024? Me many heart attack and I'm TBM me ya because people is going to win. Why? You think God is sleeping? You think God doesn't read the affairs of men? You think Ghanaians are not praying? I was watching you about Adwasafo or common markets be or Domi. I think that was Thursday. No, my fair man on
But she explained later the reason
that's
why.
fine. That's fine for the explanation. I'm Robert watching a room. I bet you don't talk about chrono. Everybody can give a reason for their actions, right? But a few months ago, this is the same person that was held in high esteem. What has happened suddenly? And it's across the whole country. Even on more company, I watched one of the videos. Alaji Baumia addressed them before. They were screaming. I can produce the video right now. Away, away. They don't even want to listen to him. The video is here. I can give it to you. What I say is crying.
I was there.
It was. See, they were clapping. Away. You they justify everything. Like
no justification. You can't put out on
the one say miracle. Or no be no.
It didn't happen.
Oh, I see. Let me try and see.
They be won't try.
That's what I'm saying. They be say. I was saying see.
I know we are policy.
The viewers are watching. The videos are available. When I finish talking, I'll give the video to your players to put it on national television. They were clamming screaming,
current
I'm telling you, on the Chelsea FM say.
It's a lie.
On the Chelsea FM say.
I know.
You see, can you allow me to masturbation?
Oh,
why are you so uncomfortable?
Concerning
when I finish, let you come and
now or dealing with me integrity. So I have to be fair on this.
Integrity how?
No, Debbie.
Debbie.
My interest is that. Did you see that video?
It's a deliberate. I said, have the video on my phone.
Okay, we are measuring.
I have the video.
Yes,
of course. I have the video. And I'm surprised. I say, "Nyampa." Now, so when you now say what that. Say the best. Dr. Baumia, they have blamed everybody for Ghana's problems. The only person they have not blamed is themselves. They have not taken responsibility for anything. Senior COVID and then Russia, Ukraine. And then put the Palestine and Israel for United Betumbi. They are blaming everybody. Meanwhile, it's a calm one year on my way. And I will continue to say this until the day in Beshefem. COVID was a blessing to Mother Ghana. in terms of
it depends of where you're coming.
Me say in terms of sika.
Exactly. Where you're coming.
Yeah, COVID was a blessing. Money we didn't budget for, money we didn't even anticipate. Free money. Oman Penia state of the nation address. Echo this kind of spending on COVID now was about 19 billion. The finance say 17 billion, whatever the figure is. Let's say that's 20 billion. The total amount of money you got from COVID alone, almost 35 billion. Adom. Ete bi kra be kaw. Ina me no ka say, come na. Mo kwa bonti na to ade ne ne a. COVID levy still ayetua. Ye ko about to these people came and look at in the face and told us say, oh, mamuso free. Oh, can you free? Yeah, that here, eh, could you talk? Amafo ni age. Ye no. Minister of me say, hey, at the freelance bi organa ha. Mo betia why? Eni edeti ha ne o. But still man you kukudro. Ye be win elections. Ye be why?
Because your
elections no.
Because your party. More for alternative beyond in terms of the challenges that we face as a country.
Because you have refused to hear.
Okay.
Because you are not hearing, you are not listening.
No, help my
Can
viewers,
I blame you?
Help my viewers.
Can I blame you?
Help my viewers out.
Me say, baby I do neno. Enye me any miracle na betina everyday we so aka. And I Ghana be to about. Ghana for no, osore anopa. Na skadi ni botuma.
So what is the alternative? What is the alternative?
We have always presented our alternative, and I can give you.
How do you make money come in my pocket?
I will tell
Making it simple.
I will tell you. Mahama, because I was a visionarian. Oba yeno, one can say me koye napko. No nipa we invest. Na don't know the maximum 500. So that's can for 6 months, 7 months. Nemba. Oba yeno, or see me ko be a port. Na sa for permanent job. Name sure tema port. Mami ko be takra the port.
Could be a port. Mahama could be a port.
To expand the port. Can you allow me to speak? Can you allow me to speak?
Fred, we are looking at alternatives. Why the NDC should be considered? I'm saying why the NDC
when it
should be
came to
considered.
job creation under President Mahama, he created permanent jobs. Ejuma obenya ya.
Okay, so expansions are part of it.
What is it?
Of course.
What is it?
He created opportunity for people to come and work.
That is right.
Yeah.
Created a plan for the youth to work. Oba here say allowance no mind to your boss say. Ne expand health infrastructure. You see more hospitals. And no could do unless for give no ejuma. A doctor for give no ejuma. Pharmacy for give no ejuma. O call Richard, go and look at number of new who are working there. Go to Dodowa Hospital. Go to all the hospitals that doctors we have built around the country. That's how a visionary behave. Oba also see e-blocks. And when you say e-blocks now, go for no ejuma ho ne no. And come ejuma ho. Oba also NAPCO. And then up going ewu they are setting up a new vehicle. Election banks are setting up a new vehicle so they can start money again. And see MPP and Nana Dodako Akufo-Addo, Alhaji Bawumia, you go down in history as the worst thing that has happened to Dr. Kwame Nkrumah Ghana. You are the worst. See, history will not remember you kindly. I'm telling you. History, the opportunities that Nanado got, the opportunity that Alhaji Bawumia got, the resources that were made available to him, the goodwill, the support he got from the media, from the clergy, from Nanano and everybody, and the kind of governance he's giving us, I feel like crying.
Well, Fred, I'm
telling you
baby on this one. If you describe
Nanado, he will go down. He still not remind you kindly. I'm telling the truth.
If you describe this government as a failure.
A monumental failure.
Okay, so what are the considerations in TSC option? Those are the things that I want to go. Expansion.
You see, I've told you.
That's what you're doing.
Expansion.
In 100,000 or more near Jumaye. Within 3 years. I'm 60% of them in your permanent jobs. What's the expansion of port? Therefore, you're not serious.
Okay,
you're not a serious politician. You are not serious.
When you use this language,
you're not a serious politician.
I
was helping you.
Why you say something? Masa, stop that.
When we say
when he says I'm
Fred, I say a
time expansion. We're alternative.
I mentioned that in the context. Let's give our respect to our viewers. When we're talking, I kept
Fred, I have asked you a very simple question. You have been able to identify the challenges we have as a country under this government, describing them as a monumental failure. I'm asking a simple question. So what are the options for us? The alternative is the NDC. Why?
I'm trying to say, Obi, no way be done. On the FN day. aye buafo me boa ye ba ye no ade ba ko na da president ma kuma so kese ene say membu benye dwuma ye because the youth the despondency in the country at the time the youth agitation for unemployment nothing na ye ba ye no yankoye sa dey said na say we were looking at permanent opportunities investment that we made even the pharmaceutical industry say private companies let's help you to expand so you can employ people
injection of money
in those areas that's right
the tobaccos and all those
we did that deliberately because we believe and know say a bank cannot create employment for all Ghanaians.
Remember back to the conversation Mamara can wrap up
I can wrap up you started
no we wrap up on what you just
made the point I'm making is say we are going to have a time when we come back and sit around this table
and do this proper conversation.
And come and do this proper conversation. When it comes to educational sector, what are NDC alternatives? When it comes to agriculture, when it comes to health, when it comes to energy, all the sectors, who come and do that. For today, that is where we are. I will get there. And I'm ready for that debate.
The guy catch will say, NDC for you, bro, from confident tricksters. Well, I can't go through.
No, actually,
no. I'm born in what else? Let me ask you. Oh, the house, let me. Oh, the house, let me. Because now, because I do good, I'm
this is unparliamentary.
When he was talking, I started quietly. When he got to my anyway, now you're going to look at this contradiction. You are colossal of contradiction.
Can I fans catch this own job? They be so catch them saying,
"You, Matikoso."
Oh yeah, on time with the video. I don't know.
On the most serious thing, I'm going to do so. And many are afraid of them. These are people like your mind more. Yes, I finish the more. The more. Obu jam me boni na egu ka kwan so. E momo enye adwuma anye, e momo beti eku kra wo. Ye ba abemu no. Ye kai say napko na wo say ya de bie na 500 cedis pe na wo say mfa so bie ne so no. 700 cedis no. Na wo say mfa so bie ne so no. Enumpo nkola 100,000 de mika. E ba beje ye. Ade na mfa so bie ne so no. Se wo so bi su a. Okode mu a ko kai amanihu na de samrante ne femu no. Ne su. Omo ye form and napko na 700 na wo say sika bia na omo dos omo bu fa so me bi mu kra nya bi no. Omai ewo one breast no. These people are the ones you should go into your room and cry for the pain that you put them through. Because ebi mo ho ba na komu a na we school from 2009 na onye adwuma ye na watere free from 2012 onye adwuma ye o de ahopepere na beje 700 cedis na wo say enye sika bia na esua no oman 100,000 no wo so fa nkrofo adwuma mu enso ye ba ye no within 8 months ene ye de napko ba ye no ye nya nipa 100,000 mo bu fa so enye no pe ebi mo bu fa so koje forestry adwuma ye ebi mu bu fa so ekoji waye adwuma ye usu bie adwuma ye bisa o say what alternative ne dey ya o say we expand temaport na temaport na we expand here for do what saying.
I said that in a context. Quote me well.
But you can't even write off the expansion.
Oh, you see, significance is very important. Significance is very important in this conversation. It tells you how mediocre your governance was. If your governance alternative to employment, you know, the significant one you can state, a expansion of water. It tells you how mediocre your governance was. It tells you how much you do not appreciate the enormity of the issues. Sector by sector, education.
Unfortunately, you cannot.
Oh, me come on, some. Now, okasa tintin ye.
But he is go first.
Oh my, now they have a bash with him, sir. I know man, kasa.
Oh, but the matter, we now kasa first. And I may buy that.
Other who protecting Nana? Who protecting Nana?
Garas money can be.
Debbie, Yanti make a brainty for Chay.
Oh, Garas.
The idea we na second the Kamasa.
Garas is very serious.
No, but why? Why you doing this?
Okay, so the viewers. Thank you for your time.
Say, make kasa ochamano.
Honorable Akasa, the
whole